Good day and welcome to the FX Warrior YouTube channel. Now, if you clicked on this video, there are two things that comes to mind. Is either you're a losing trader or you're a failing trader, or at best you are a break-even trader and have not actually started making money from the forex market. We all know that the stats say that 98% of traders are losers or stuff like that, but we are trying to make the edge to be in our favor. And when we say edge is a very thin line, a very fine line, which if you are not balancing it properly, you'll be losing in the long term. So you have to have that tiny edge over other traders. And I'm going to be giving you the edge here. I personally believe in indicator-based trading. So today we're just going to be looking at indicators, and I'll be giving you two things which you can do to improve your trading. Now, this is no BS video. You're actually going to be taking real value away from this video. And please make sure you take notes or at least rewatch the video to get the concept I'm going to be showing, okay? Because it might just fly over your head, because I'm not making this video for total beginners, obviously. So if you haven't learned anything about indicators, please watch my previous videos to get yourself up to the pace we are right now, okay? Now I have a super trend indicator on the chart right now. Simple buy and sell. I just chose this simple indicator because it's very easy to read. Obviously, we know the green is for the buying and the red is for the selling. You can also find this indicator on TradingView. Right now, I'm using the MT5 platform, but it doesn't make it any different. Oh shit! I don't like this red. Let me change it back. I just wanted to look a little more dramatic or something. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, that's better. Now the green is for buying. Like right here, we would have bought the market, okay? And no shit, we're gonna make profits right here, right? Going up, we're gonna make a lot of profits. Good. Depending on how you take your profits, whether you use risk to reward or stuff like that, this buy here was profitable. I have a moving average indicator here, which is the Arnold Lagos moving average, which you can also find on TradingView, okay? At least I'm giving you guys things you can also see on your MT5 and the TradingView platform. Now, I normally teach on TradingView, but why I came to this MT5 is because this is where I personally execute my trades, and this has over 5,000 indicators or more. You know, like on MT4 and MT5, they have the biggest collection of indicators in the world. So why not use those platforms than be using TradingView that's just limited? Now, those of you in the US, I know prop firms and all those problems, but I'm not going to go to that, guys. So let's just stick to the concept. The concept can be applied with or without these particular indicators I'm using. Personally, I don't even trade these indicators I'm going to be showing you, so, but they are going to give you a picture-perfect scenario to what I want to explain in this video. Now, back to what I was saying. If we're buying in this market, I mean, this first place, you can see my cursor, this first place, or let me zoom in. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm doing this for the first time, so the video is a little bit shitty, just bear with me. Let's just follow the buys. Let's say we bought here. This was a good buy. We made money. We bought here. Somehow, somewhere, we made money or we lost money. You see this bad candle. These are trades, you know, just raw trades we get. We bought here. Somehow, maybe we made money or maybe we're break even. On this one, we definitely made money. On this sell was even a bad one. Okay. On this buy here, we also made, no, we lost money, right? So in the long run, just doing buy and sell, I'm gonna tell you for free that you're gonna end up losing a lot of money. Here too, if you have bought here before this bad candle came down, you lost a lot of money, even maybe more than you wanted to even lose. So why am I showing you losing trades and winning trades? At the end of this is just a zero-sum game. You don't have an edge if you're just using this super trend indicator or your moving average. You're just back and forth. So I'm going to give you something that's going to add an edge to your confirmation indicator, because your super trend indicator is a confirmation indicator. So I'm going to give you something that's actually going to add value to you today. And from today, make sure you start using it and make sure you apply it to your trading. Now, I'm going to pull up an indicator from down here. Some of you guys might have been seeing it as I was using it. Some of you might not have been seeing it. But yeah, the name of this indicator is a volume average. Yeah. Or the volume EMA average. There are two types. There's a volume average and then there's a volume average percent. You can get them from just a simple Google search. A simple Google search can give you this indicator right here. Now, what is this indicator and what does it do? The indicator is just a volume indicator. If I raise it up, let me just cover the screen with it so you guys can see it. Now, when the price is below this line, this EMA line, there is not enough volume in the market and you are better off not trading. These are points where you are taking countless losses, countless amounts of losses. You're just taking losses for the market. The only time you take a trade is when the bars are above this EMA line here. If it was the other one, the volume average percent, which is the same indicator, there will just be a straight line. The price has to close above. The price has to close above the line. That is when you'll be taking trades. And this is going to save you a ton of losses. If not reducing your losses by 50%. And this is just a random claim. So go and make your test and do your back test before you confirm that. It's going to take away a lot of your losses. And now we have different types of volume indicators. So you are not even caged to only using this one. I'm even going to give you another example. And probably if I can remember before this video is over. Now, I'm trying to get this video under 10 minutes. That's why I'm like speaking a little bit fast. Now, we took some dumb losses while we're taking this trade. Like, take a look at this loss here. You can see the price just went below instantly. But if you look down right here, check where it is, right here on this candle right here. You can see that price did not close. The price never closed above the EMA line. So we would never have taken this losing trade. Now, the money you would have lost on this trade is still in your account. I don't know how you guys, if you understand how this works. Now, if normally you're a trader and you're taking a lot of wins and you're always getting losses, it's going to eat out all your wins and you end up being a losing trader. Most losing traders get winning trades, but they are not able to keep those trades because the losing trades just eat up all of their profits, right? Now, this is one loss saved. That's 1%. This one right here also, the price never closed above the EMA. You can see this green buy trade right here. It never closed above. So we can just take that as a win, or we have saved the money that would have been lost here. Now, imagine doing this over a span of a year. How many losses would this have saved you from taking? I mean, check your current system. How many losses would maybe 100, 200 trades where losses and you end up saving them? I mean, depending on how you trade, you can just imagine how much improvement you have made to your trading. And improvement day by day improvement on your strategy. Making sure you are getting the best out of your strategy is actually how you build an edge as a trader. Okay, so that's the first thing that we needed to know. I can see come down here to check. Okay, you can see this one was a good trade. I guess it closed above. But if you don't know if it closed above or not, you can always check your data window by pressing Ctrl D on MT5, and you can check. You can go ahead and check right here. The price. You check the close of the candle is 0.8. I can't show you both, but just look at the left hand side. The close is 0.81777, and then you can see with the column that says volume and average. Okay, the volume is 758. Sorry, let me put it back there. The volume is 380.9, and then the average is that. So this one is good to go. It's a good trade, and then you end up taking this trade and you worked out depending on how much you kept your stop loss. Okay, yeah. So that's the first concept that you would have applied. Now the next concept you need to apply to make your trading better or to improve in trading is exit indicators. Okay, you do not have to take every single loss, and you do not have to aim for a 1 to 3 because there are trades that end up running a 1 to 100, and you just took a 1 to 2, a 1 to 1, a 1 to 3. You don't have to cap your upside. Not every trade is the same. You can take 1 to 1 for particular trades, 1 to 3 for particular trades, and so on and so forth. Now, how do you exit? There's another indicator under here. Remember, all these indicators are just examples. We have tons of what do you call it, volume indicators, and we also have tons of exit indicators. Now, I chose this tricks crossover because it just looked fun to me for exits, and that's the one that I could just find quickly. Yeah. Now, I chose this trade crossover for exiting trades. For example, we bought this trade right here, right? Now, I will exit this buy trade when I see a red dot on these tricks. Now, see, where will I exit? Right here. Sorry, guys, my hands are shaking. Right here, right? Yeah, you exit that trade right there. You cannot exit. You can't always exit at the top, so you just have to. It's a plus and minus. Trading is plus and minus. You just have to balance it, right? Now let's check previous examples. I'm not even cherry picking. This is SZD card. I've never traded this pair in my life. On the live market, but I'm just using it for examples. Now this one was a good trade, right? We took this trade, but it wasn't really going in our direction. And then what happened? Right here on this candle, you can see that that's where we got the red dot. And this red dot, it just signifies that you should exit the market right there. Now, some cases, you might just end up seeing the trade bleed to your stop loss. And just this exit indicator actually helped you to save pips. Instead of taking a full loss on every single trade, you get out before the market just takes you out. For example, this trade right here, everything was good. The volume says go. Look at the volume. It's above the EMA price, right? The volume said go. And then you can see price just went sideways for days. Now, what would have happened if you were in this trade? You would just take the trade, and once you got this red, what happens? You get out of this trade right here. Now, what later happened? Trade probably took your stop loss with this big black red bearish candle. Sorry, guys. This is just making me excited. So I don't know if it's making you excited, but this will actually save your trading. And videos like this are what people do not watch. They just want to watch, make $100 a day, save your job, or quit your job and start making $1 million a day type of videos. And I don't know how it's helping them, but yeah, it's this type of things are actually what works. Now, here, let's say we go buy here. You see, we got this buy at the top of the range. And when did he tell you to get out? Right on this candle, it was like, it's not working anymore. Just get out. This trade is gonna lose you. So if you are taking, maybe your stop loss was here, you saved a lot of money by getting out right here. You took half of the loss, and it's all good because in trading you must lose. Right here, we got this buy. Okay, probably shouldn't be trading close to news. These bad things could have happened to you. And more examples, because I'm not cherry picking, right? This one, we didn't have the volume. Like I can see, it wasn't really a crazy move. There was no volume. Right here, very little volume. It doesn't make sense to trade. I'm not going to go ahead and backtest the strategy for you guys because it's not my strategy. I told you guys I don't think I use any of these indicators. Maybe I might try the tricks. But yeah, you can see this. Buy here. You take it all the way up, all the way. Oh, look at where the tricks got us out. At the top of the range. Is that a holy grail or what? Before this crazy down candle came in. Guys, just go test, yeah? I think I'm doing you guys an over-service on this. This should be paid classes or something. Well, yeah. That's basically how you put yourself in front of the rest. There are other concepts I'll still teach, but only this concept, if you go back to your strategy and apply it, I believe you should get changes or you should improve. Now, if you like this type of content, do me a favor by smashing the like button and the subscribe button because it helps my ego and it will help other people discover good videos like this. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and away from FX Warrior, guys.